Eba Studios back na yatwa in common somebody can't Riley nka Mate Bontinka. We all had to start with paying tribute to the legend Daddy Lumba. Him say Daddy and na yet say we're free more, he's no more, which sad news, but then Nyame and Edema on one edge. The Lord knows why he gave him to us, but then was our friend back. We just have to thank the Lord for life and then pray. Say anything kwemu dachibi inye say dachibi definitely ebishia Daddy Lumba war wherever he is now, resting in the bosom of the Lord. Now we pay tribute to him. Now what na era stories man no the legendary Sarkodie in no Otumfuo and in the crew event factory for bar menchia fikesi mu ebe hu yera to kokoso Otumfuo say to na daroma they paid a courtesy call on him na sama omode ba ye no unyante a me bokakra na watie na miriam aba atoma bedwafo na ye rem kakra. The idea behind it, the concept of how it will be going and everything yinti how it went down. Sarkodie aba mensha ebishia kotoko hini na meba hinto aso.
Michael Sarkodie and the chairman and so the name the team I will be to 2 hours now 12 years me and I really see the album there from Rapperholic. And you do Juma celebrate but turn out to not a year into a transfer for consistently for 12 years. Until bank 25th December, the Kana Sarkodie and the team. That's one of the biggest shows. Now, after I think 3 or 4 years, the year I have to be able to my number all these years, I think about 11, 12 years. But finally, France and Ukraine, and the percent is a fee, as I have been until now see a crime and I say. Inana, I have a tabana say, Yenya, Kwanana, TV, video. I was saying to me to one money, they were two. Now it's me, they didn't say, I saw a cross and they are too big in my money battery. It's into their body. The woman in my room. A bishop, if you chill, a GH Quick, GH Quick. Lawyers are going to try for me. Yes, Elvis. And I concern. I used to go to our and I'm a team. Lawrence. Stevens. Fred and Angelo. Nicholas. But eventually, but see, and you was 27th. Okay, yes, that's 27th September, and I the way war was his first thing. So,
Nana, so, Nana, Ampa Opako mi hu na che.
So
and was our bed until maybe your bed in this over time, so I am not better na
so
be a way be am dem pibo take.
So
buy me catches up brass any here.
So
print on boss and money rent free.
So
Sasa would disobey him. Want to us so nyame na ache na de ti ofie no. Money ref no nya ne sa kakra
so
o ma kan hu nyina no nti na mu nyina mo bo no mo hwe se mo nkoyi bibi e be kwa akosai wo no de na mu nyina mo nta na chi fefe no nya basa
so
ze ni nua no ne mo koyi bibi ana ono so koyi bibi anya e kama e mo nya bi oji amena kama
so
nya mo nta na chi mananya asiso be ya September they do na mo via sa ko kra me amechi akodo bia na for baby, I know they come up with TV. That's it. They do one number. Someone broke. I don't do that. I beside them. I'm about TV. Then she said, be a Kosuka. See, I read so they want gain no question to me. So baby, be a DBB. So what?
Ote Sarkodie na Shasi born a money se be Ira Nadaroma and Nana no nyum to ya de na kudin kan tema kakra but then 10 years or so ago and I was dwumadi bi asese afene so bia na we debisi ho no abo concert amanfo abesa ani age songs or the about within the year ni year pass nyina no na or the dwumadi no di no won kan dodo na ba ko bi na wode ba kumase oba kumase ne so no amanfo Jennifer so amanfo ani so ye amanfo pay ntina fi no and why na adwen say afi adru de ani osade bo sekrum na wabaye de dikan ewo sekrum ansana December de oye ne kan no waye ti oba besre yira se obenya ho yira nhira na adoma na dwumadi wode adi and then ode betu yira nim say September 27th yira and so de nanu December ba no say se bi obo no homodin din no wa pedru ba bi ade ake so obo ho ban enti yira sa fa so 2 nuanom oni omonam nyina afo se mo ne nam ne din na mo nyina monam ho enti se mo ye dwuma bi na enye papa ne din na mo se no no nso o ya de bi na ense fata o se mutimi ka che na mo ye after that na Sarkodie se bi obaji ren share ye no release the official flyer for Rapperholic the homecoming 2025 edin da so no with all the news keka ho nyame ba bedwafo ho na o masha se free oba yira ho bebo na mane after the official release of the flyer ni kinte akonyote so ho sensem obi class we wi ane de and they see wi ane concept no woni hu no he kai de cha it goes on and on and on and on into other stories but really mamisha is in free ho Sarkodie the Rapperholic homecoming is coming on Wasiki the blessings of His Majesty. Venue has been secured because he went there to even take pictures and videos of the place. The official fly is out. Tickets about out and Joe, Mr. Tickets in the one the ticket was released yesterday. And so so you can purchase the tickets via their website. And then I think that they put down a few shops and so regular 100 cedis, VIP 300 tables. Number guash and also visit www.rapperholic.com and also dial *714*66# on all networks ubit my purchase tickets no really mamisha is in from I mean too.
All right, Black medicine last week you bomodin the home come with Obaira hono but as you said this week around no flyers about bunting tickets about bunting and it's a good thing. Last week we were all talking about how we think it's a good step in the right direction, say, or the Rapperholic so eba kumase, because Sarkodie Genia, even though he always speaks about he rapping tema, but obi onim Sarkodie bia nim Sarkodie so ya santini, and me home flyer and the name near me the title for it Rapperholic the homecoming. Until we need the make a chat here for you and say. Ubi Amra out my anchor support for this show. Let's get a 360 for Sarkodie. I don't know whether they are doing 360. I think last week we were asking ourselves these questions. But if they are doing a 360, Mr. Capacity near 40,000 plus, right?
Yeah.
Let's all come out and support Sarkodie. Let's show that these big shows that goes on in Accra can go on in Kumasi. Ubeka side incident support Sarkodie. Or support Sarkodie. Enebema Kwaku Flick. Enebema Kwaku Darlington. Enebema Kempaluta. Enebema Frimpong. Enebema Bless D. All these people from Kumasi no almost so get it to their peak of their career. Yeah. Almost be thinking of doing something in Kumasi because Sarkodie be the support was there. Just like last weekend, I think on a Saturday, right? I don't know whether Saturday or Sunday. Shatawale Beya fans be crap
golden deal.
Yeah. Sanya marketing kitwe nyina na betre how best that these events need be so eba Kumasi it will be valid because say receipt to talk about it makes it more valid. To say the Yura man yanam referee regional minister
Dr. Frank Amwako
for the Ashanti Festi in kakra right now, and I also know say or might be out for people who wants to file for the December return year of return programs into say events say cost on there and about other events
and to other I've even read said or a minister for youth YECU
Basintel
Baku Osman Ayerga
I don't know how
youth and employment. I think you see Osman Ayerga there and say there will be this month August all the regions they organizing youth festivals. Seminars I think I'll find the post and then
so Black as I was rightfully saying and your man kitty be say enema any ba a crew and I say Emma adie bi a share ye busano and you bound say okay there is the need for us to do something like that Kumasi I say because we are always talking about shows ni now cra maybe after Sarkodie show you na abia Ghana Music Awards ye be host Kumasi who knows it's a thing na ye man fe and Bonti analysis be last week which was great so be Kumasi was here na easy for Obi from Sunyani to get to Kumasi than to get to Accra.
Yeah.
The same way easy from Obi from Nkari in Yinahini, those kind places to Kumasi to get to Accra. In Saba Kumasi or more these areas and so Ebembe and Kumasi can also turn up for the Rapperholic and have the experience of how ACTA. But then last week we were also thinking about almost set up some Nebeko saying security sem because also here nti eno no so ne ade a ye stress Sarkodie ne team say wabayira ho ayira Japan so de yenim say bibi wo ho na say ade ye hintasma na say ha no ana say Emma program ne nkoyi a omoba mpanfo na ase a I think it can be taken care of nti security here pa yati bi da empese bebo products bi adin where we na manfo abode da gata mu ne ade ekoye so bringing so many issues. We don't want a show ever end na lead it to something like that. We want a show you be winning na ye de agina so aka say Sarkodie show inti yemfa we nye den embra and that's the little I would like to contribute.
You made mention before Mekubojo, you made mention about yen RTC, your talk or Kuflake and then all that also. Mind you, organizing such an event a big platform that ABIAD now they don't have that capacity to occupy, but then
they can
so
be
BDB is basing definitely they would be on it. So if you have love for them, it should be you attending because you'd have these lineups from them.
Well, last week here you did home comma, and it's a great thing because the last time I said I was Opemsuo no the last time I buy 2012.
Yeah.
So I think the first year or SHS. Na me here follow back or a PP hype crew.
Yeah.
Me follow back na ye tweet agenda boys or Twitter any other. Mini scam me better ticket. Nti could do gate na Royal Ameta. Kan kona mo kra mo hard do. Ye kan me ko shame. See baby, I was shocked. Me hu hwe everyone say pian kwa na do aba pian kwa then boy upon then we came out here. So it is coming home just as like how he said. Na obaye no penny dia oba himfia ahimfie penny di penny o and when I me catch last week na me catch Riley say me hu say eya emresada black nana nensa good nanim say Angelo no ni trim for the first time me wa he ono no ni trim oba himfie oba Opemsuo and you can see said they were all prepared obia mpese yeah ba pani ho aba besre kwan nti we have to look gentle. Obia dress come on where the kaftan and as day yeah obia dress come on. So oma ba besre kwan, and it's a great thing. Say ba we are aware no ba o say odi kan kobokokoko so na akoko bisa oba na se nti e ba be venue aba be show no, so they are here to ask for our permission, say if they have every right to organize their show here. And then yes Kumasi shows enko. I can attribute this to 2 factors.
What are those?
The first one is the venue, and the second one is the turnout.
Yeah.
What I say, they be a boss Black. You better ha na ya can't send be the dear grosse. Ya kana mekane asre. It is that is the reality. Unya to said ticket ya babontin. Obi koko hu ye pe 100 cedis. Hey, 100 cedis with the kwakoto akwa o. Akwa de nko ye nyame no akwakoto.
Just series ba kwa menya 20 cedis. Series ba kwa menya chinchinga miensa.
So but ye nyina yenso ye say, oh, our artists they can't perform on international stages. Omukwa brochira omuntumi sell out and osro and omuntumi nko honom. What do you have to do? Ya sha say free nkakra home baby a yetiti wo free e no e honom na e wo say wa mass support na e den e free. Sarkodie yen kan say what Accra or Tetema die ntia, because that is the capital and e honom na plugs ni nyina e den e wo. But he started war fan base sack natives are more Kumasi na enya asem ketwa. Yeah. So at so if he see yes say na onye Accra de na onye Tema de ye hunu so e Ghana ni, he's one of our own. So if he's coming to our side, we should pull up and come and support him. So we share the annual Rapperholic concert I know in Krana. Yeah. This time around we share on set tickets no prizes na bafem. Yeah. A DNTia. And you say be who say be into to, but it's because he's coming to test the waters. And
then also, even if not to test the waters, it's been organized at a bigger venue compared to Baby Babaya is a bigger venue. There is a taxi ne bus. So Elodia Concraya.
Vast difference.
It is a taxi ne 3 million. Na bus ne 100 CDs and say taxi ni business catch and bus no bus ni nipa do so chain taxi nti you know particular example
yeah we say wo hwemu a baby a wo ho odin betumi bia no and I will betumi ato ticket no let's pull up in our numbers and support him. Pull up in our numbers to support him. Say yeah ade no yie na ye ni yie to say de na Riley kan no ye ni yie it will motivate our artists now more say no. Yeah. Last week I was telling Riley say the only thing promise Eddie Cha Paluta Chi.
Okay, promise as now.
I can promise Eddie Cha can Paluta Chi. Say Paluta and me and fan and saying Boanka said this is my maiden show I'm yeah. But what I say?
Yeah, true.
The numbers on the streaming platforms nina boot for boot. But what I say? Yeah. But so when this year he is afraid to say obekwa kwaje baby a ohunu say bia ne fame na kwa kodru ne nwuma kwa kodru ankofo boje no so no. He is afraid to say obekwa kwaje a bigger venue a obenya low turnout.
Yeah.
Obekwa kwaje say oh ukrom honom kra na ya mama support we and Mguase Kumasi for they say. So sometimes it's not because they can't do it all. It's anyoma we nyina ye de gu ensaniani.
Yeah.
And sana or more choices be our my day or my. So once he's Sarkodie is here, most of our American artists will be there. Yeah. So if at all you are not supporting Sarkodie, one of your favorite artists from Kumasi will be on that stage that night. Let's try and buy the ticket and support them. This is what they've chosen to do. And ye easy say obi be bonyo betena se akeka nsema de bia edidi nkomo ya bom e de agu nnwom so ana o de agu beat so amana ya oda dwene ho a wonte ase. That is the profession they have chosen. And yenso ye de nse be consume. So one of the way to consume their music is to support them when they are organizing shows like this. So I urge everybody say it drew honomona moma yenkɔ ticket na sɛ wotɔ ne ntɛm a ɛbɛboa ebia obetimi atwɛn a ebeduru yɛ sɛ ebia nkrɔfo bi kra afiri ɛma yɛhunu sɛ yɛnko a yɛwokuma se anko a ne yɛyɛ ama yɛn no sunwane western region fo nyinaa takrade fo nyinaa betumi ayɛ den aba ha nti ɛmfa nhyɛ utirim sɛ ɛyɛ kuma se nko a nti ade yɛntimi nyɛ nkranfo ɛbɛba no nyɛ easy. So all these people are buying the tickets na ama your friend is a venue no and I say a seat ni nyina no so den so when him say obekwa you buy your tickets as early as possible na yenkonko ye na kama said we see the be fie be bo amane no kama. He said he is coming home high in fie asante achimni ye nte ase so he is coming home about Opemsuo. So if he is coming home no kwampa so na say ya man kwan so ntimi ni sa adwuma yi then the best way to solidify it is to support or pull up on that day na yema bibia enye kama na nkranfo no hu say oba ye kra na bigger venue we were able to hold him down na ye cancel so ye nya bia ye de so that's it.